Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Clickbank for beginners, specifically how to promote Clickbank products without a website. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about, if you're brand new to Clickbank, how to promote Clickbank offers without a website. So the number one mistake that I see people make is that they don't provide value. They're out there trying to get their link out to as many people as they can, but you have to remember that people don't like to be sold, they like to buy. And you think about it like if you go out to buy a car, and you go in and the salesman is just trying to sell you a car rather than listening to like what it is that you want, what kind of problems that you have, and then make you the sale. It just makes a huge difference, because even if it's the best product in the world, if someone's trying to just force it on you, you don't want it. You want to go out and provide value to people and then develop that know, like, trust factor, and then people will buy from you. I see that happening a lot. People are just out there spamming their links. So the way that you can find out what kind of problems that people have in your niche, well, first of all, the three niches that you want to choose from are going to be health, health, wealth, and relationships. So those are the areas that people have the most problems in. So if you can go out there and find out what kind of problems they have in your niche and provide solutions, provide education, then people are going to follow you and more likely to buy what you have to offer. So the way that you can find out what people are searching for, what kind of problems they have, questions they have, is go to Answer the Public and see what people are asking for. That's the first thing. So you can go to a site here called Answer the Public, and I already typed in keto diet, because if we go over to Clickbank, for example, and you go to the marketplace here and type in keto, you can scroll down and see the gravity. You want something at least 30 or so, 20 to 30. I found this one down here. Where was it? This one is pretty good. This is a pretty good one for 13 in gravity. The average sale was 27. So I thought this one was a good one. 75% commission. So let's say you're going to promote this particular offer, and so you're going to go over to Answer the Public, type in keto diet, and you can see all the keywords here that you may look at to create content around. Can the keto diet be dangerous? You could create content around top 10 reasons why you would want to use the keto diet, or top 10 keto diet recipes. So once you know some keywords here, you can go over to, which is going to be my next point here, methods to promote. You can go over to Quora, YouTube, Pinterest, and see what people are searching for there. So let's say we wanted to go to Quora. You can type in keto diet here, or you could just take these keywords here and copy and paste them into Quora. And this Quora is a place where people go to get answers to their questions. So if you come in here and you're able to answer these questions, and you link to a blog post, and then you have your affiliate link in there, people are much more likely to buy from you because you're providing value on the front end. So you can see in here, is the keto diet healthy? So you could create content around that. You can come in here and see what other people have answered, and I guarantee you they're going to link to some sort of offer here. So you can see they do provide a lot of value here, this answer. And let's see where they link to. So it's going to take some research on your part to go out and put something together. Obviously, you don't want to copy what other people have done, but just kind of come up with your own spin on it. See, this is like they're listing out reasons. This is very educational. So you can go through and see what other people have done, how they've linked to their blog. So that's the first way is Quora. First one is YouTube. So if you go over to YouTube, that's the second largest search engine under Google. So you can find out in here what people are searching for if you just type in keto. Keywords everywhere. If you install that, it'll tell you how many searches are a month. That's just a free Google Chrome extension. Keto coffee reviews. Keto not working for me. So that could be some content you could create. 140 people search that a month. So maybe like the top 10 reasons why keto is not working for me. And people will find that to be valuable. You can have a call to action at the end of your video saying if you want to learn more about the keto diet. Let's see what this one was. Custom keto diet. Click on the link in the description below the video and you can link to a lead capture page and collect email addresses and then provide more value to people on your email list as far as like keto recipes and things like that, and then have a link in your emails to your Clickbank offer. And you can use the same content and repurpose it for all three of these. So if you have something like top 10 reasons why keto is not working for me, you could maybe put that same content on YouTube, Quora, and Pinterest is the third one. So you go to Pinterest and Pinterest has a search engine right here. So you can type in keto diet and see what people are searching for, what kind of content people are putting out there for keto diet. So I found this here. I just typed in keto diet and I found this pin, and that's a great pin because it's a really great image. And then they have keto rules for beginners, what to do in the first 3 weeks. And if you click on their pin, it takes you to their blog post here. Keto rules for beginners, the first 3 weeks. And if we scroll down to the bottom, of course you can have banners here that people can click on with your Clickbank offer, which a lot of times the offers in Clickbank may have under their affiliate page here, they may have banners for you already. But if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, let's see, there's going to be some links in the blog post itself. So the 28-day keto challenge, you click on that, it takes you to a Clickbank offer. See if we scroll down here, this is the 28-day keto. That's a Clickbank offer. It's $37. You see it's from Clickbank. So you can see that this person is not just linking to their affiliate sales page. They're taking you through some value here because this is a great pin, and then it's taking you to this blog post, and then it's just natural that you would want to click on this. So you're not out there spamming your link, you're providing value. And then again, you can use that same content, keto rules for beginners, you can use that same content on Quora, see what people are asking for there, link to your blog post from Quora. Keto rules for beginners, let's see, we go to YouTube, keto for beginners. Well, that's probably a pretty competitive keyword, but you can see there's 27,100 people search for that keyword on YouTube. Let's see what the competition is for that. If you type in all in title in one word with a colon and then in quotation marks your keyword, if there's not more than one page, which I'm sure there is for this keyword, then it's a good keyword. Well, actually, you know what? Keto for beginners. That This is an excellent keyword because look, there's not that many search results, and there is 27,000 people a month searching for that keyword. So I just gave you guys a great idea for a keyword, but there's all kinds of content that you can create around keto, the keto diet, and then in Clickbank there's a lot of keto offers, and you can rotate those out, see which ones work the best. But like this is, let's see oh gosh, this is another really good one, keto resources, because the gravity is 206 and the average sale is 22. So keto resources, that looks like a really great offer to promote. You want to see, actually that's the one that they were promoting, 28-day keto. So I would say that's a really good offer to promote. So those are the 3 methods that I would recommend to promote: YouTube, Quora, and Pinterest. And I was going to say on YouTube, if you're afraid to get your face out there and you're like, oh, I don't want to make any videos, let me show you a YouTube channel that has over 1 million subscribers. It's called Fight Mediocrity. All of their videos are animated. So go to that, check this out, Fight Mediocrity. They have just some incredible videos here, and it's on book reviews. So you could go and find, like on Fiverr, somebody to make animated videos for you and just see what they do, because it's like, it's obviously very popular. And then they link to like a free Audible trial, or they'll link to the Amazon, like to buy the book. So they get a lot of traffic, they provide a lot of value, and they don't ever put their face out there. It's just all animated videos. So you don't have to do that. You can have somebody create videos for you, and your channel could be just like this, only maybe around keto, and have animated videos, which are really interesting for people to watch. So just wanted to let you know about that. So hope you guys found some value in this Clickbank for beginners. And you know, like I said, you don't have to have a website to promote Clickbank products. You can promote on Pinterest, Quora, and YouTube and have some really great success. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below the video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.